8011 First Northeast. Dates July 25th, 2022. I'm making this recording from the trench here on 8011's property. There's a long, about 35-foot trench with new PVC in here. We're recording the line down at the main right now. We're coming back into the shared line between 8011 and 8003 First Northeast. So shared 6-inch diameter line. It's a 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner, about 45 feet long or so. From that main, we're coming back towards the property now. Back into the PVC here. This is a trench we excavated about 8 feet deep in the northeast corner of 8003's yard. We're coming back from that 6-inch diameter shared sewer line into the 4-inch diameter sewer line that serves 8011. Coming back into that 4-inch diameter line into a section of 4-inch diameter new flow liner. It's about 11 feet or so of this 4-inch diameter liner from property to property. And up out of the trench. I'm making this recording from the T at the downstream end of the trench. See this long trench running here back towards the house. There's a clean out up there, a downstream clean out up at the corner of the house there. I'm going to end the video, hop over to the neighboring property and make another one.